welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making these 3 necklaces here, and if you like them, you're luck, because I will be giving them away. To enter the giveaway for them, you just have to like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your favorite necklace, as well as follow me on Instagram and leave your Instagram handle below, because that is how I will be contacting you. This is US only. My seasonal giveaways will remain international, but this is a smaller giveaway, so this is US only. And it will be 7 days to enter. I'll have the dates below and I'll let you know when it's closed. And the winner will be announced on Instagram as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. right, so that concludes how I put these together. They are each 18 inches long. See, there's the yellow one, the red and black one, and this is the blue and black one. So those are the 3 necklaces, and as an added bonus, I am going to throw in 2 bars of soap that I made by hand. That's right, I made them by hand. I used what they call the cold press method, and this is it's a very herbal scent. Kind of has a licorice smell, but it is more on the herbal side. I'm not going to tell you all the essential oils I used in it, but anyways, this is the soap I will be adding to it. So if this interests you, again, entry below, just follow the instructions. That's how you enter, and I do want to know which one is your favorite necklace. If you enjoyed this video, please tell me, is this content you would like me to continue making? Would you like me to see me do more giveaways like this? I am very interested in knowing your thoughts of that below as well, but you don't need to tell me that for the giveaway. I'm just interested. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.